Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith, and if this is your first time seeing this fine girl, this unmarried charm, this beautiful face, you know what I'm saying, you're very welcome. And to my returning subbies, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for stopping by, and I definitely appreciate you guys. Alright, so I already know you guys seen from the title, we are doing a bougie on a budget haul. Yes guys, if you guys are interested in any of this item on this haul, definitely send me a message on Instagram and I'm going to give you guys the link and everything you guys need to know. And also keep in mind guys, I did get this item from a Facebook seller, so like I said, if you guys are interested, definitely hit me up on the ground, send me a DM, and I will give you guys all the information you need to get this stuff. Okay, so yes, let's get right into the video. Also, this is my first time ever buying anything like this online. I have gotten a designer deal before, and when I went to New York, yes, I did go to the what is it called, Chinatown I think, and I got a designer deal. That was like 2-3 years ago I think. Yeah, so I've gotten that before, but I have never ordered on like Facebook or Instagram or anything like that. Actually, that's a lie. I have one time I got a Louis Vuitton pouch on Instagram I think, but that's a long time ago guys. So yes guys, so this Facebook seller, this is my first time ordering from her. Actually, one of my Ninja babe on Instagram hooked me up with this seller. She posted like a really nice replica bag, and I liked it, and I asked her, oh, how did you get it and all, and she just hooked your girl up. So thanks and shout out to her. Okay, yes guys. So, and also guys, before we get into the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button on the bottom. Please, and also turn on your post notification bell so you know whenever I post a new video like this and much more. Alright guys, so yes, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I just realized I have a makeup stain on my shirt, so if you didn't see that, just ignore it. If you did, still ignore it because I'm not going to change it, just my makeup. So the first bag we have is this Gucci bag, and all of the bag comes with a dust bag with it. So all the bags came inside the dust bag. Honestly, I wish they came inside the box so I can feel like, okay, yeah, I know, I can be feeling like, oh yes honey, it came, but no, it all came with a dust bag. And this is the first one right here. It is a Gucci bag. I'll open it up, and this is how it looks. I haven't used any of this bag, I just got them and I was waiting to do a video before I go ahead and use it. So this is how this looks. It has that little cover right there. It has a tag, and when you open it, it comes with a strap like so. I think everybody literally have this bag, the real ones and the people that have the replica. So yes guys, and this is how the inside looks. And it also comes with the what is this thing called, the authentication card, I believe that's what they call it. I think that's all. Yep, that's all that was inside the bag. You can see, yep, that's all that was inside the bag. You close it, and to open it, it has like a little buckle right there. You just press on and you open it and close it out. So this is nice, I like it. Not the best quality ever, I'm just gonna be honest with you. I have seen replicas like this, and it has like this little strand coming out of it. Not the best quality ever, but for the price it wasn't really bad. So yes guys, I can't beat it for the price. Honestly, it was okay for the price, but yeah, not the best quality ever. And yeah, and also guys, the gold strap is very, it feels very, I don't know the word, cheap, if I should say. It feels really cheap. Like I said, this bag is just, you get what you pay for, basically. And I wasn't trying to spend a bag, honestly. I wasn't trying to spend too much money, because the shipping alone for these bags, like, you literally pay more for shipping than the bag itself. So the shipping alone was out of this world, guys. It was so expensive. So like I said, I wasn't trying to, like, you know, buy the expensive one, because I was just trying to use it to see. It was my first time buying from the seller, so I wanted to buy and see how good her quality is. So yes, but this, like I said, you get what you pay for, honestly, guys. So yes, bag is this Chanel bag right here. It's a Chanel bag. It came in with this dog's bag right here. That's how it came in. Yeah, so the quality of this bag is way better than the other one, the Gucci bag. So this one, the quality is really, really nice. And I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the real one, okay, and then, you know, with this one, so you guys can see the difference. So I'll put the real one here, then I'll put this one right here, so you guys can see. And this one also comes with this strap right here, and this strap is heavy, so it actually feels real. Little gold things right here. It has Chanel on them. The bag is honestly nice. The gold detailing looks better than the Gucci one, I can tell you that. In there also, it has Chanel. The zips also, the zip says Chanel on it right there. Says Chanel. So yeah, this definitely, I feel like this quality is better than the Gucci one. So yeah, I really, really like this. It has a back pocket in there, you can like put stuff in, and it's nice. I really, really like this. I really think it's cute, guys. So the next bag I have, I absolutely like this bag, guys. Like, when I saw it, I was like, I have to get this. Like, this one is for me, okay? Yes, guys. So the next bag I have here is the YSL bag, Saint Laurent. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys how beautiful this bag is. This bag is just so pretty, guys. The red color is just cute. Oh my god, like, the detailing of this bag is so beautiful. It comes with a tag right there. You can see the tag right there. This bag is just everything and more. It has the YSL on the front. Like, this bag, guys, I'm telling you, I really, really like this bag. Like, they did not disappoint with this bag at all. This is so heavy. Like, when I tell you, like, this is literally so heavy. It's just so cute, honestly. This is like literally so heavy, guys. Like, yes, I really, really like that. For the strap, in here it says Saint Lawrence. When you open it up, the flap, this doesn't have any, trying to see if it has any pamphlet or authentication card, but nope, it doesn't have any of that in here. But it's just so cute. Like, the quality of this bag, I definitely like. I just like the quality of this bag more than the other ones. Yeah, and the zip also has the Saint Laurent on it. Like, this bag is just, I can't complain about this one. Like, this one, I definitely got way more than I paid for it. Like, this one, I was definitely impressed with this. So alright, guys, so the last and final bag on this haul, guys, when I tell you, I really wanted this bag. Like, this bag is like an everyday bag. If you're going out, with the girls, like, something you can just carry every time, honestly. And that's the reason why I got, like, I literally been wanting this bag. I was actually looking at the real price of this bag to go and buy it, but the stingy girl in me was like, Faith, don't spend that kind of money to buy a bag. Like, that money right now, you can use it for something way more important. So yeah, guys, so hopefully one day I can buy the, you know, real one. but for now we are rocking on this, okay? Bougie on a budget out here, and honey, I'm very okay with that. I literally believe that spend your money on what you can get. If you want to get a designer bag and you have the money for it, definitely go get yourself one, because we all deserve it. And if you don't have the money to get the designer bag you want, and you can get a dupe or a replica, my dear, get it and carry with confidence, okay? Carry it like it's no man's business, okay? Yes, all right, until we have money to buy, you know, the higher ones. But for now, yes guys, this is the last bag, and like I said, let me stop rambling. Yes guys, I really wanted this bag so much. This bag right here, this bag right here. Guys, I really been wanting this bag for real for the longest, guys. Like, you don't even understand. Like, guys, I'm so excited. Yes guys, this is the bag. This is the, I think it's called the Louis Vuitton Matisse. I don't know, but it's called the Louis Vuitton Matisse something bag. So yes, guys, I really been wanting this bag. I just like it. It is just like the cutest ever. Like, oh god, and the quality of this bag, like, is really nice, guys. You just do this to open it up. That's how it looks. Let me take this little thing out. That's how it looks in there. It comes with the strap, of course, and this strap, guys, is really good, so I appreciate them for that. It also comes with the authentication card and the tag in there, so that's how that looks. As a bag zipper, has like a big pocket. You can put big space, you can put some things in there. On the front, before you open it, it literally says Louis Vuitton Paris. It says it right there. And it also says LV. Guys, like I said, this bag is just cute. It's cute and I like it, and I'm carrying it, okay? And you also have the Louis Vuitton right there. The zip also has Louis Vuitton. Like, this bag is just everything and more. Like, I just keep looking at it, like, really cute. It also says it in there as well, and this is their monogram print. This is the monogram print I got, and I'm very pleased with this bag. I think this one and the red one is actually my favorite. Like, this bag, these two bags right here are definitely my favorite, guys. Like, these two bags are just so cute, and I really like them, so they are definitely my fave. And like I said, guys, if you want any of this bag, you're interested in purchasing this bag, and she also do sell wholesale. If you want to do a wholesale, or you just want to get it for yourself, definitely DM me on the gram, and I will give you all the information you need about this bags, okay? Yes guys, so yeah, that's basically it. I literally keep saying I don't want to be clapping my hands, but I keep clapping my hands. Like, I don't understand why. Yes, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this, my haul. If you guys like things like this, definitely tell your girl. I would do stuff like this. I do not mind at all. I would definitely do videos like this. If you guys want to see more videos like this, definitely leave your comment down below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Tell me anything you guys want. I will definitely do it. Follow me on the gram, because I'm literally on the gram every time, so definitely follow me on the gram. And like always, stay beautiful and stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.